Hey friend, today you get to decide the video. Let's see what people wanted to see. They wanted to see that, which we're not going to do because I don't want to eat poop of any kind, even cat kind, which I hear is the best kind of poop to eat. One of the more sensible ones, and ones that really apply to my personality, was the person that said makeup routine. And you know me, I am a big fan of putting makeup on my face, so that's what we're going to do today. So every morning I wake up and look at myself. Why am I so ugly? And I just think, oh no, why do I look like this? I gotta look better. You see this ugly face? This isn't okay for someone who has as much self-esteem as I do. Now, the first thing I do after I wake up is I'm like, all right, I'm gonna look pretty. So I go to the bathroom, I look in the mirror, and I'm like, all right, what do we need to improve on today? And then I decide, oh wait, I'm already beautiful as fuck. No need for makeup. There, makeup routine done. All right, that was great. Put comments down below, and we'll just do another video maybe tomorrow. Probably not. These aren't on a schedule. That's it for now. Have a great day, friend.